Hi Pranavish, thanks for attending PMP training at Arbadilla Consultants. How was your overall experience with the training?
Yeah, it was very nice. We had a three days intensive session, and it was quite informative and quite knowledgeable. And it helped, at least it helped me to identify a lot of areas where I need to focus and brush up my concepts. So that way, it was very helpful.
So what kind of learnings learned here will you be able to apply in your job?
Yeah, definitely. Whatever the concepts are there, I'm already into a role where I need to play the role of a project management manager, and these concepts and the learnings from here will definitely add to my daily work and help me to do better work in my day-to-day life.
So what kind of confidence you have got after attending this training in the PMP concepts?
Yeah, a lot of concepts have been cleared. There were a lot of deviations that I used to have a preconceived notions were there. They were cleared, and it will definitely. I feel more confident in identifying the different processes and different nuances of project management activities, and definitely this will help.
When are you planning to take up the PMP exam?
I'll go through the PMBOK and do my self studies before, and then as soon as possible I'll try to take up the examination. Yeah, pretty much.
What kind of guidance you have got from this training in PMP exam perspective?
Yeah, from exam perspective, we had discussed in length that what are the different strategies that we can take, what are the different strategies to study and prepare for the exam. So those kind of guidances I'll put into practice, and there has been a very clearly articulated methodology and what's to target, what is there, which is important, which is the focus areas. So those are the areas where I'll try to concentrate, and then hopefully it results out in the best possible way.
What kind of guidance or motivation you want to give for PMP aspirants?
I think PMP aspirants is PMP is a very good certificate, and it's a recognized certificate in the industry, be it IT industry, be it service industry, be it a product-based industry or a manufacturing industry. It's a very recognized certificate, and it not only helps you to get the recognition of a project management role, but also it will help you to conduct your day-to-day work activities in a better way and in a better planned way.
So how is your overall experience with the trainers?
Very nice. Especially the part where I'm getting a very good guidance, and it's not only restricted to the number of days that I have spent here just for the attending the course, but also going forward there are plans that wherever I falter, wherever there are gaps, we have a plan to have an interactive sessions to get those cleared and clarified, and then help me do a better preparation for the upcoming certification examinations and even beyond that.
So will you recommend this training for your friends or colleagues?
Definitely.
Thanks a lot, Pranavish, and all the best for your PMP exam.